So this, I'm just reading through your practice problems after you watch all of Miss Olson's videos. So we're going to pick it up on the practice problem that she left you with. I'm just going to read this one to you. This is on page 17 of your notes. It's slide 34. So there are three choices of jelly beans: grape, cherry, and orange. If the probability of getting grape is 3/10 or 3 out of 10, and the probability of getting cherry is 1 out of 5, what is the probability of getting orange? So you guys are going to do pretty much the same thing as you did up here in that last video to solve this one. And then we turn the page. On the last day of a Shakespeare class, an English teacher asked her students which play they liked the most. Out of the 16 students, 8 liked Twelfth Night the best. What is the probability that a randomly selected Shakespeare student likes Twelfth Night the best? Write your answer as a fraction or a whole number. All right, so what are our outcomes? Total outcomes. And then what actually happened? You're writing your own fraction pretty much. Or I guess number of choices is what this should be. Gosh, that's really not that helpful for this one. Just do your best. You're writing a fraction. What is the probability that the students liked Twelfth Night the best? Oops. All right. Amelia has a lot of stuff in her pencil case. There are 10 items in her pencil case, including 4 breath mints. What is the probability that a randomly selected item from Amelia's pencil case will be a breath mint? You're going to write your answer as a fraction or a whole number. So this one works better. What actually happened when what did she pull out when she selected? Man, I cannot make this make sense. Okay. What are the number of choices? Number of items in her bag. That's going to go on bottom. And then what's the probability that she'll pick out a breath mint? Okay. All right. So first, we have to write on this one that we did this at the beginning, but there's 52 cards in a deck. Okay. And that means there's going to be 13 hearts in a deck. There's going to be 13 spades. There's going to be 13 clubs and 13 diamonds. So in this first one, if you have a deck of cards, what is the chance that you choose a spade, club, or heart if you draw a card at random? The next one says, if you have a deck of cards, what is the chance that you choose something out of the deck that is not a diamond if you choose a card at random? And then the next one says, what is the probability of choosing a vowel from the set of English alphabets? Ooh, wow, so British. English alphabets. So there's 26 letters in the alphabet. And let's see how many vowels there are. There's A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So those are your vowels. What's the probability of choosing a vowel out of a 26-letter alphabet? These aren't numbered, darn it. A number X is chosen at random from the numbers -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the probability that the number will be less than 3? So how many of these numbers are less than 3? That's going to be your top number. And then your bottom number is the total number of outcomes you could have altogether. So you have to count up all those numbers. Next one, I'm going to have you skip. Next one says a number is chosen at random from the set. A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What is the probability that what number you pick is going to be a multiple of 4? I'll give you a hint. Multiples of 4 is like skip counting by 4. So I'm circling all the multiples of 4, or at least trying to. What is the probability of getting a multiple of 4 out of that sample space? These ones are easier. Lynn has a package of candy that contains 1 blue piece, 3 red pieces, 6 yellow pieces, and 8 green pieces. She randomly selects a piece of candy from the package. What is the probability that she selects a yellow piece of candy? So, multiple choice, what's the probability she selects a yellow piece of candy? Remember to simplify your fraction. Next one. A bag contains 14 green marbles, 16 white marbles, 21 black marbles, 10 red marbles, 20 yellow marbles, 15 orange marbles, and 13 purple marbles, and 15 blue marbles. There are no other marbles in the bag. Nathan randomly selects 1 marble from the bag. Which statement best describes the likelihood of the color of the marble that Nathan will select? So, A, the most likely color is green, the least likely color is blue. B, the most likely color is black, the least likely color is red. C, the most likely color is orange, the least likely color is blue. Or D, the most likely color is black, the least likely color is yellow. Moving on. There are 12 colored marbles in a basket. Of the 12 marbles, 2 marbles are red, 4 are purple, 3 are blue, and 3 are orange. Randy will randomly draw a marble out of the basket. What is the probability that Randy will pick a purple marble? Remember to simplify. Next one, I want you to skip. All right, good luck.